Let's get ready for another equation. Each equation will add up to the numbers they are parting from, but will not always create the same resolution. For example, 15. 2, 8, and 5 is 15. 2 plus 8 plus 5. But if I multiply, 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times 5 is 70 and 56, 126. This is what it gets the other way. Here's another 15. Okay, 3 times 7 is 21. 21 times 5 is 105, apparently known as the hand of God, and 165, which is the spirit running in the red sun, because 6 and 5 creates 11. 1 is part of the diameter of 3. 3 is the diameter of a single ball. Square is the diameter of a single ball, but it is in 4. 4 is 4 parts, as I showed, as like the box kite, 4 corners. But inside the box kite, you have to know that the bottom corner is inside. Do you see? It's inside the next box, because we see it inside the first box. Outside of the box, outside of the box, inside the box. Although this is a square, once you get to the next square, you have to get to this area to do that. Now, why is that happening? But that's okay. Right, okay, so we're going to continue on from what I started. So anyways, that's not here nor there. What I want to bring up really in this video is 3 times 7 times 5 is 15, 105, or 7 times 15 equals 105, or 1.5 times 70 is 105, and this all runs through Kansas City. Highway 70, Highway 35, 1.5 times 70, 1.5, all represents Mars and the cyclone system. UGN, gun, okay? 225, what we're going to get out of 225, I'm trying to figure what it is. Okay, it's right over here. 5, hold on a second. Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. 5 times 2 is 10, times 2 is 20, 9 and 20, or the IT system. 15 times 15 is 225. 15 represents Mars, and in between is 2, 3, 4. That is the IT system of the birth of creation, because 2, 3, and 4 is everything, where 1 and 5, 1 is whole, and 5 is half of everything. 2, 3, and 4 makes up the difference between the first quarter, the second quarter, and the third quarter, understanding that just before you reach a whole of 1 mile, it's always 7 parts of 8 is the last portion. Okay, you can also go 14 parts of 16, or the reality of the 16th, because the 16th is the whole light, 1 and 6 equaling to the half light. Something seems to be funny. 1, right, and 6, where 6, the 2 parts in the center show the halfway zone, okay, or the part where the spirit runs in. See, there's 2 levels when you turn it to a diamond shape. You got the halfway high and the halfway low. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4 areas. 2, 5, 8, 2 again. 4 areas. We reconnect the last area. And the same thing goes for here. 5 times 3 is 15. Times 7, 105. They're all going to be 105. They're all going to be 15. But in this area over here, okay, this becomes 1, 7, and 1. This becomes 1, 8, and 5. Now, where do I get these numbers from? I don't remember. So now I'm going to have to look. Where did I get those numbers from? I doubled something up to get those numbers. Where did I get 18? 245. Oh, yes, okay. 5 times 37 is 150, and 35 is 185. Okay, 85 is the speed of the matrix. 8 is 2 parts, and 5 equals to 1/2, and 1 is the spirit, equaling to both parts of the matrix. 4 and 4, which could mean this 4 corners and this 4 corners. It can also say in each corner is a representation of 3. Why is it the representation of 3? If I can find my Rubik's Cube, I would show you. I'm not sure where Rubik's Cube is, but we all know that in the corner of Rubik's Cube is 3 colors for each corner. So the same thing goes for here. 3 times 75 is 2 1/4. 3 times 57 is 171. That is the light of the spirit. That's like saying 101. Because to the 7th gate, this would be 6, this would be 0, this would be 6, 606, or 666. is a relation to this word over here, C, E, G. This can also be L, this is CLU, this is NEW, and this is G, P, and Y. Those are the letters that represent in regular numerology or in Pythagorean on 3 levels. Same thing as here. 573 equals 365 days a year, or the creation of the red sun. 7 times 53 is 371. Instead of 171, now you have 371. 7 times 35 is 2 parts of the fox. 45 equals FOX fox. It is also the sky system, 39 and 6. 2 parts of the sky system. Now I'd have to see, in order for me to actually bring this to a greater step forward, is I have to see new scientific numbers to understand what they see in the numbers, to bring my numbers with their numbers to talk on their level. Right now all I'm talking is on the shallow level right now, from what the basic layman man can actually see just based on adding up numbers. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I see you see me more.